Chaz, and you were having a conversation with Chaz, and we're trying to knock out some topics today, some discussion pertaining to universal law. And universal law, the sun, the moon, the rain, the 24-hour rotation, reflecting light and reflecting dark, and so there you have it. That's a great deal when it comes pertaining to universal law. The sun, reflecting light, reflecting dark, different reflections, and the actions that Mother Nature deals with, and the actions that us humans deal with, and relativity is pertaining to the action, and oneness. And there you have it, folks. That's kind of a universal law. So you believe it, you achieve it. You believe it in your mind. It's an action, and for every action, there's a reaction. Whether there's a big push of a reaction or not much of a reaction to this. Hey, I got an action. There's not much reaction. There's not much reaction to this, but there's much action to this. There you got it. So there's gender, productive organ male, productive organ female, and not just the human. And you got subhumans. You got the grass that grows, animals produce, trees produce, put off, growth. So the whole thing is like a reproductive ordeal. So that's in line with the planet. Say, hey, the whole thing, man, is like a reproductive ordeal. Keep with the program. Okay, buddy, I can get with the program. I get my own. I reproduce. Be proud of it. Include your sister. Get your sister on that understanding. Also, make sure you get her to recognize that, hey, reproductive thing is a good deal. It's a good ordeal. And now we're going to move on to the topic of tribal wars. Tribal wars, like, hey, your cousin, your brother, sister, niece, nephew, somebody's so-called part of the tribe. Got all this friction going, all this oddness, this difference. Who needs all that, I'm going to be in the tribe with the friction. Hey, you the friction, then you need the ordeal, have dealings where friction ain't that high in your circle. You're part of the tribe, but hey, I'm occupying these lands, man. You occupy those. Get bowed. Not necessarily bows, but you can understand what I'm saying. So, hey, tribal war, because folks, that tribal war isn't nice. All that feud, family feud. So anyway, that's it, folks. Just try to have a better understanding with folks, the associates, and if all that friction is going on, say, hey, I'm occupying these lands, man. You occupy those. And there's less O's. Or behavior and mentalities. There's all that O's mentalities. It's really a butt, really a butt. And that's not what we want to have our ladies being. Hey, the butt. Here comes one. Oh no. So anyway, folks, gonna take on testosterone and estrogen. Testosterone, say get testosterone build up in your sister or your mother, or your niece or whatever, say cousins. Hey, I think I can, I believe I can do it. You know, testosterone. It's good for you. Or on the other hand, say, he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow. But somebody can deny. The jolly good fellows. It's testosterone. Look at testosterone. And estrogen is just the opposite. Hey, I don't feel like it. I don't feel up to it. I don't want to be bothered. I don't want all these commitments, these obligations. I just don't want to deal with this. I done tried. Now I'm all out of whack. And my libido is taking a freaking beating. My libido. God bless my libido. And my girlfriend, I can know she's saying, I can sense her saying, God bless my libido. Bless my libido. So, anyway, folks, God bless the libidos. My girlfriend said, God bless my libido. For all you fellows and supports, high intensity athletes. If you know you want to be high intensity the best you can. If you can't, say for not being so high intensity, as long as you get some kind of momentum, some kind of movement to going frequently, so ain't all about constant high intensity. As long as you get some kind of intensity to going, so you can dig that, whatever's worth. And shucks, my buddy was talking the other day about how he always gets in there with him and runs with him. And those situations is hopeless almost. He gets in there and brightens it up with ideologies and pull the situation out of the dumps. Well, the thanks I get for pulling the situation out of the dumps. All my bright ideologies, so, a token of appreciation. So, hey, what can I do with a token? I need some steak and potatoes, a token of appreciation. So. Anyway, so because who wants a token of appreciation? Hey, I've been giving year in, year out. I've been giving these bright ideologies, a token of appreciation. No steak, steak meal, nowhere. And they're constantly dealing with all this wish and wash in the society. So everywhere you go and stuff, and it's almost like hillbillies, Don't get me wrong, there's some cool hillbillies. Cool as all get out and take care of their own, Comes back down to say, we got something in common, say, got something in common, whatever is common, take care of our own. Whoosh, that's the whoosh. That way you don't get washed up. So who wants to get washed up? Hey, say I'm aiming and shooting for all this ideologies, and hey, it's just a waste. It's washed. And when it could be a wishful kind of thing, say a wishful blessing, and a great intent is washed up. So who wants all those great intents washed up? Hey, I'm trying to get a great intent going. Washed up. Hey, we're going to wash up these great intents. Okay, that's going to be the thing. Okay, we're going to do the hillbilly things and knock everybody off the hill. Got to keep mama on the hill. Take care of mama. Take care of your own. You don't have one, we'll help you get one. Take care of her. Take care of our own. You don't want one? That's on you, but if you want one, try to help you get one. Anyway, folks, this is Chaz. Just knocking out these topics and having some discussion. And on the way out, hey, listen to Conversation with Chaz, and peace out.